What's the vibes, YouTube? It's your guy Will, back at you guys with another video. Quick one this time. We're just gonna get this damn lowrider ass wrapped up today. Fender struts and fender going back on. Without further ado, let's get this quick installation installed. Let's get this quick installation done and on the bike. You see the old fender struts here. Fender, new fender struts to match. New swing arm by Silber Turbos. Nice. This is a fairly easy install as we're not removing anything else but the fender strut. So essentially it's just this one torque bolt here that will bolt into here. So let's get these old struts off, new ones on, and see how it looks. And it's just a T45. Alright, real quick guys, if you notice, got a brand new hat on, some new merch, actually live now. Go to the website, No Speed Limit, posting it right here. Go pick up some hats, got some different t-shirts and things like that, but the big announcement is that I am launching a giveaway for the O2 Electric Glide turned into Road Glide. I am doing 150 entries starting tomorrow. $100 an entry, 150 entries. This bike could be yours, dropped off at your doorstep. As you guys know, a lot of good parts and modifications done to this bike. So 150 entries at $100 an entry. Go grab you some merch, grab you a sticker to enter the giveaway. You must purchase one of two stickers. We got a shop sticker, and then I got a no speed limit box logo sticker. 150 entries, capped at that. As soon as it sells out, I will be giving the bike away, doing a drawing live on Instagram. So follow the Instagram, get entered into the giveaway by purchasing a sticker, and grab you some merch while you're on the site. Let's get back to the install. Slots here on the frame, they are bolts. Pretty much it right there. Give you guys look. Yeah, she look good. I think it looks good. The whole little setup, swing arm, new Brembo, fender struts. Like I told you guys, quick and easy install for the fender struts. Yeah, she looks good. I really need a chain conversion because I'm definitely not liking the way that belt and pulley are looking. belt pulley and belt chain conversion definitely must be next on the docket for the Lowrider S, man. Like I said, go pick you guys up some merch. Nice stitched, great quality. Like always, appreciate you guys always tuning in the channel, always supporting, always you know, commenting, sharing and all that stuff, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.